So this play kit is called the Looker. You're so cute. You are the looker. The Looker play kit by Lovevery. Okay, so this is the mobile, and it has two sides. It has the colorful side, and the side she's looking at right now is the black and white side, because apparently newborns, they see better with high contrasting, so black and white. You like that, don't you? Ooh. Ooh. Okay, let's look on this side. Let's look on this side. Let's look on this side. What's this? Oh, are you following it? What's this up here? Over here. Oh, you're following it. Nice. What's this up here? What's this up here? Oh, over here. Oh, over here. Oh, okay, nice. Lovevery play kit, and she is, hey, she's loving it. We were playing with the stuff. Okay. Let's see what else. The mobile, black and white images. The mobile, the black and white images. The sensory links, we were playing with those. She likes one of them, which is crunchy. I can't find it. I'll show her in a second. My dog likes the squeaky one with her. Then the wooden book I just showed her. The black and white mitts. And the complex black and white cards. I'll try to hold it. Nope, not yet. Nope, not yet. You see this? No, she's looking at the camera. Are you wearing your Lovevery mittens? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Are you wearing your play mitts by Lovevery? Oh, are you wearing your play mitts? Now, if I show you guys the box, I might miss her doing something very cute. But we're just... Oh yeah, I knew it. If I filmed the box, I would miss it. But this is the Looker play kit for 0 to 12 weeks. So those are the black and white mitts. And then we were showing her a few things. This one is the mobile or the mobile. I forgot how to pronounce it. There's the black and white side here, and there's the colorful side here. So babies, apparently, they like to see the black and white, and they have the high contrast between black and white so they can see these images more, which is why from 0 to 12 weeks, my mom is making it go over now. But, oh, it's okay, good. Oh, she's hitting it with her little hand.
Yeah, I want her to hit.
Too many sensory things at once. Okay, let's try this one. The black and white rattle with the removable ball. Oh, she's looking at that. She's still looking at that one. It's too close. What about this one? Oh, you're gonna cry. What's that, huh?
Very interesting.
Are you looking at your little mittens? Huh? Whoa, what are those? Mittens. Oh, your head is so strong. Your head is so strong. Are you looking at your little mittens? Huh? You looking at your little mittens? Whoa, black and white. Black and white. Very cool. Wah! Wah! Man. Oh, are you looking at yourself in the camera? Look at your little mittens. These are her little Lovevery mittens. They have nice patterns. You want to show the camera your nice patterns on both sides? They're black and white, so you can see them even better. Ooh. Okay, let's show her this book. Thank you. Okay. Let's see this book with the patterns. So, look at the book. Whoa, is that a turtle? What's that? What's that?
Şu kadar bir kafanı çok gürültü yapıyor yani.
What's that? Is it a mouse?
You know, bu
Okay, so she seems to really like these images that are black and white. Very high contrast images. What about this one? That looks like a fishy porcupine. Yeah, okay, I'll turn the page. That one's a mouse. Oh, you like the snake? Look at the creepy snake. These are nice wooden pages. Yeah. And it's by Lovevery. I like the turtle. You want to see the turtle again? Okay. Look at the turtle. Oh. Nice turtle, right? Okay. And you know what else she likes? These ones. I bless you. Okay. What is that? Oh, my hand. These are the links. Oh, somebody else likes it. Do you like this as well? Do you like this as well? That's not for you. That's for your little baby human sister. So these are the links. Oh, does somebody have a little Mickey nose? Does somebody have a little Mickey nose? You like this? Let me get your other toy. I'll be right back. Okay, so now she's listening to some white noise and sleeping with her cute little hair sticking up. I also have these two that I got, and it's the Lovevery block set and also the 13, 14, 15 months, the Babbler kit. And that one is for next summer. I can't play with it now. I'll probably show them to her, but she's too young to understand them probably. This one is just a photo from the website about the Babbler kit for 13, 14, and 15 months old. So I'll do the unboxing later. And I'll show you guys another one that I'm gonna get soon. It's another kit called the Charmer kit, and my brother got that one for me, as well as the Looker kits. This is just a screenshot from their website to see what the Charmer kit looks like. It's for 3 to 4 month olds. So I'm going to do an unboxing when I get it. I already posted the unboxing for the Looker kit a while ago. And when I get the Charmer kit, I'll do that. So they're in my postpartum vlogs. You guys can just look up the Lovevery kits on my YouTube channel and you'll find the link there. So this is just my little video, and I'll do the unboxing for this one later in another video. So if you guys like this, just subscribe and I'll keep showing you guys how she interacts with the toys.